Hey guys, and welcome back to some more 20 minutes till dawn. This really fun game. The first thing I want to do is this I can unlock new characters, I think. So I'm gonna unlock Diamond because as it says, very high HP, and I need that for sure. Oh my god, can I not unlock it? Is this something to do with my rank? Really? Oh well then, I did choose that, and I'm gonna look through these weapons actually and see which one is good that I can unlock. Actually, I can only unlock one. Yeah, shotgun it is then. Short range weapon that shoots many projectiles. Yeah, that's what a shotgun be. That's what a shotgun do. So let's choose a shotgun standard and let's play as Diamond. Cause I'm Diamond, I told you I'm Diamond. Who needs diamond gear when you yourself are Diamond? Oh, it's very short range. Oh, and I only have 2 shots, so I need to use it well. Okay, I'll gather a bunch of enemies. This is the best way to use a shotgun. Yes, oh my god, this is much better than the early weapon. My revolver. That revolver didn't do anything. If I could, oh my god, wait, I have an idea. If I could max out reloading on this, it'll be insane. Oh, I'm gonna do that. Yes. I'm gonna get everything that reloads. Yes, quick hands, that's perfect. But soul shield, dark arts. Oh, I really want. Okay. I really want vision because I know it really carried me really hard last time. Yeah, see? Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, I found my new favorite weapon. This is great, actually. This is wonderful. This is delightful. Oh my god, I'm so powerful already. Okay, magic side, no need. Pyromage. Power shot. That's good, actually. Oh, or dragon egg. Yes, dragon egg would be good. Yes, dragon egg. Okay, I'm gonna gather a bunch of enemies again while I try to. No, not too soon. No, that is not good. I'm really powerful already. I think I should just rely on my shotgun, honestly. It's so good. That was a waste, but that's so good. Oh my god. I'm surprised by how good it is, actually. It's really working out well for me. Oh, and if I could have bounce on this, oh my god, that'd be great. Oh, I have so many ideas now. I'm level 4 already. Power shot, okay, yes. Or maybe glare. Summon damage, no need. Haste. Ooh, haste. No, I think I should go with glare. Glare is a safe option. Safe option is better for long term. Okay, I can maybe get another upgrade. No, I can't, but I'll get an upgrade. Oh no, this is a bad place. Why does that happen? Oh my god. Double shots, no, I don't need that. I already have enough shots. Dark arts, train dragon. Yes, I want train dragon. Last time the train dragon was insane. Oh, age dragon also. Oh, wait. Let me see what the difference is. Age dragon, your dragon gains 15 damage every 60 seconds. This ability works out. Oh, I want the damage, baby. I want the damage. Okay, I am doing wonderfully for myself, honestly. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, it's getting harder now. It's getting much harder now. Can't lose another life. I have enough lives, yes, but you know, I want to be conservative. Okay. Oof. Okay, I'm getting intense glare. Yes. Okay, fresh clip. Oh, reload rate plus 5%, increase bullet damage by 5% for every 1 second after reloading. For 1 second, for 1 second after reloading. Okay. Arrow magic, train dragon. Oh no, I'm so So jealous. I want everything. I literally want everything. Okay, train dragon it is. This will help me for sure, guys, for sure. Oh my god, I'm really getting everything. Okay, holy shield, trainer, take aim, intense glare. Yep, intense glare it is. Now everything is dying. Everything's done for. There we go, see? Oh my god, it's so much easier with all this. Increase bullet damage by 15 and bullet size by 15% permanently every time you heal. I won't heal, but okay, that works. Oh no. Okay, I'm getting a little bit complacent. I should be more careful. Let me just get these stragglers first before I run into the big ones. Okay. Dragon Bond, yes, that is good actually. Bullet damage. I think Dragon Bond. I think my dragon is about to hatch, so it's good if I get it now. I can work on my gun a little bit later also. Plus my my intense glare is really no. Okay. Also I get it now. Vision. It's 20 minutes to dawn. That's why vision. Oh my god, it makes so much more sense now. I'm stupid, guys. If you couldn't tell. Aero magic trainer, sight magic. Vision range. Oh, okay. Fresh clip. Oof. Oh my god. I'm frothing at the mouth just thinking about this. Okay. If I'm thinking of this logically, I should get sight magic. Now everything's dying. I don't need to do anything. And I am easily winning so far. Oh, my dragon hatched. Yes. That is great. Okay. Magic spear, pyro magic frenzy. Summon attack speed. Okay. Power shot. I think I want a power shot. Yes, please. Okay. I'm 15. I'm on 15. Right now I don't need to do anything, so I'm just gonna stay back. Vitality would be good. Magnetism, dark arts, magnetism. Because I'm not able to get everything yet, so that's why it's pretty good if I can get magnetism and get more levels that way. Right now my damage is pretty good actually, because I'm able to defend. Anyone else want to fight me? Am I not powerful enough for you now? I don't know what's happening to me. Wait up! I lost another life. How did I do that? Why am I so stupid? Okay. Fresh clip. Ooh. Bullet. Big shot. Watch and learn. Or recharge. Fresh clip. I want fresh clip. I want the reload rate. I want that reload rate. No. I lost another life, really? How careless am I? Okay, I shouldn't. No, why did I do that again? Okay, I should just run. I'm just running. I'm not fast enough for him, so it's better to just run. Honestly, I'm getting levels while I'm running around all this, so it's pretty good here. No. Okay. Winning so far. Oh no! No, not again. I'm so bad. And I'm dead. I am so stupid. I didn't use my abilities properly. I can do this. This is so much better now. Okay, I unlocked something new. Okay, it's so much better now. Okay, we just get a bunch of them, congregate together, and boom. I'm too excited about this. I love shotguns. Shotguns are so OP. Okay, there we go. Magic sight, take aim, ghost friend, magic spear, magnetism. Let me go with a similar strategy from last time. Magnetism would be helpful. Oh, again. Soul shield, dragon egg. I'm going with the same strategy. No, no, oh, oof. Phew. No. Okay, you win. What happens if I kill a tree? Wait, I wonder. Oh no. Oh no, this is a bad time to explore that. Age dragon, that sounds good. Not even gonna look at the other ones. Oh, rapid fire, I want that. I'm loving everything that's happening right now. I'm like a little kid. I'm just like looking at all the shiny things, getting all the shiny things. Oh no. No. Okay. Let me be smart about this. Quick hands, I think. Yep, quick hands it is. The fast reload really helps. No. Okay. You made your point. Okay. I made my point too. Oh, the boss. The boss died. Oh, my dragon hatched. Okay, collect my boss's gift. Okay. Increase fire rate and reload rate by 10% permanently every time you get hit. Okay, sure. Why does it have an option to leave it with better than what you have? So why not just get it? None of these are good. Shoot. Okay, I guess I just have to trust my gut. Second shot, call lightning down, strike nearby enemy. My reload is what's killing me, so I don't think I can get electromage. Summon magic side. Yes, sure. So help me with AoE, so that's good. Although it's making me harder for me to see anything that's going on. So it's difficult for me to see if there's enemies close by or not. There we go. Shadow Blade. Oh, the magic scythe inflicts curse on enemies. Ooh, increase curse damage by 15%. Yes, that's nice. Let me get that. Alright, now I'm not gonna slow myself down by shooting. I'll just go get everything, get all the goodies. No, I lost another life. See, I was afraid about this happening, and I lost another life. Great. And I lost another life. I am so bad. Okay. What else is there? Sight magic. Yep. Dark arts. No. Sight magic. No. Oh. This is getting too close. This is getting too close for comfort. No, this is not a good place to get a upgrade. Rapid fire, holy art, holy arts, fresh clip. No, I'm upset. I'm really upset. What did I lost like 4 lives in one stretch. That's so bad. Oh, okay, the barrier's gone. Did it die? No! Damn it. Okay, let me just go get some upgrades, maybe. Oh, you know what? I think this goes in a sequence. So you get 5, then there's 5 of these before you can do this, and then 5 of these, and then you can do this. Oh, that's what that is. Well, okay. But how much do I need to buy these upgraded ones? It's the same. Sure, let me just actually spend everything on this. Oh, I need to hold, right? I forgot. Let me just max this out. See, okay, that's done now. Oh my god. Okay, I can't buy anything else. But, has this been unlocked now? Seems like it. Wait, is this also unlocked? I don't have enough for that, so okay, anyway. Let me just continue with the same procedures. No! I was stupid. That was my fault. I didn't move, I just went in one direction into them. Okay, my glare is doing pretty good actually. I think because I upped my glare damage a lot. Quick hands, yes. Yep, quick hands. I need more. I think I need a sight magic. Sight magic would be great with this, like with already the powerful glare. Evasive. Oh, sight magic. Okay. Speak of the devil. Yeah, that's my devil now. Okay. I need to increase my sight range, I think. It's not killing a whole lot because of my sight range. Spectacle, that's what I needed. That's exactly what I needed. Or intense glare. Glare is doubled, or glare, damage of glare occurs twice as often. Actually, both are the same. It works out the same thing, but I guess I'll get it as twice as often. I don't need to do anything. I'm killing everything before they get to me. Look at this. I'm killing everything. It's just that I need to be careful whenever I get boss, probably. I'm gonna upgrade my watch and learn. Yes, that's the best. Oh, boss. Okay. There we go. That's much easier. I don't know what I'm worried about. When Diamond's HP is at or below half the maximum, increase piercing +2 and knockback +2%. Actually, yeah, that's piercing. That's what I needed. Okay. There we go. Dark arts, holy arts, excitement. Pick up range 30% after picking up. Gain 50% fire rate for 1 second. Ooh, excitement might be good. I'm gonna get some excitement. Okay. I don't even need to use it right now. Everything else is so good. Let me see what happens actually. Can I just shoot it down? Just bring it down. Okay, Dragon Egg. I don't know if it's helpful now. Armed and ready. Oh, this is perfect. +2 ammo and +10% reload. Jeez. How I can kill anything now. Oh my god. This is never ending. This power is never ending. Look at this. Nothing can get by. It's because nothing is in range, and nothing is ranged or has enough health. Okay. Power shot, double shot, soul shield, air magic. Yep, power shot. I'm just gonna make my main weapon super OP, so that once I get bosses, then I need to be ready with my weapon. I can basically just sit in one place and won't do anything. Intense glare. Yes. Or Dragon Egg. I think I should start working on my dragon. It's more helpful in the long run. So, okay, there you are. I was waiting for you. No, I ran into him, and I ran into him again. Really. No, I'm losing so much more life. What the hell is that? Okay, I need to do something about this. Holy shield, yeah, maybe. Frenzy. Haste, yeah, haste. I need to be serious about this now. Oof. I've been enjoying my time with this game. I need to start getting things seriously. Oof. It's not looking good. It's looking like the same. No! And I died. I am so stupid. I'm the worst player in this game, honestly. Why? Okay, another day, another chance to wake up 20 minutes before dawn. Why does this happen actually? Like, why do I have this timer that makes me up, or wakes me up 20 minutes before dawn? Interesting. I would love to know the lore of this game, honestly. It's pretty sick so far. None of these are good. That is perfect. That's all I wanted. Okay. Soul shield it is. Magic lens, holy shield, soul powered. Ooh, your bullets deal 10% more damage for each soul heart you currently have. Damn. Soul powered. So I could do potentially 30% more damage permanently if I just X smart. I need to up my reload. It's holding me back right now. Reload and start doing some side damage, honestly. You came with a sneak attack for vengeance. Haste. It's not good enough. Holy Arch Dragon Egg. Oh, Dragon Egg or Glare. That's a good choice to make. It's not a good choice, but it's an interesting choice. Dragon Egg or Glare. Dragon Egg is too. No. Oh. I should be more careful. Okay. Come on, collect the XP. No, I am so dumb. Oh my god. Turn our holy shield. Soul expand. Gain a soul heart. Gain a soul heart. Increase max limit of soul hearts by +2. Okay. Wait, do I regenerate? Isn't it like I regenerate soul hearts or something? Yeah, every 90 seconds I'm supposed to gain a soul heart. Okay. So far I've not gotten anything for my weapon, which is great. I've been getting everything that's not useful to me right now. Yeah, I remember when I had like all the side powers by this time. Yeah, I don't have any of that right now, and it's so much more difficult. This is not a good time. I'm like right in front of the other enemy. I'm like just saying hi. Ghost Frantic, aim, Dragon Bond it is. I'm going all out on this dragon. Oh, I regained the soul heart, yes. And I can get up to. Oh right, my max soul hearts can be 5 now. Oh my god, that's amazing now. That's perfect. I can do a lot more now. Okay. The Muse as well. Because now with 5 soul hearts, I can do 50% more damage per hit. Oh, okay. The boss died. I need to lead everything towards me right now, so I can go pick up this from the side. And I can't pick up the. What? Oh! I thought I lost life. Okay, my dragon is doing work, but I'm not doing any work. I'm the lazy one here. I'm sorry, dragon. I'm sorry. No. Okay, this is not a good time. Ah, damn it. Ah, shoot. No. I'm losing all my health and damage and everything. I don't know what that noise was. Okay. Frenzy, Magic Lens, Frost Mage, Soul. When gain a soul heart, when you lose a soul heart, enemies also lose 80% of their max HP. Does not affect boss enemies. Oh, I see. But okay, this is still good. There we go. I have another soul heart now. Okay then. Okay. I'm fine. I'm so fine. I'm just doing great. Jeez, I think I'm getting the soul in front of me as we speak. No. Oh god. Okay. Ghost Frantic, aim, rapid fire. Let's go with that. No, now my permanent hearts are gone. How do I do this? How do I do this? How do I do this? This boss needs to die. This boss is so annoying. God damn it. God damn it. I'm dying. I'm panicking. Oh no, I'm just gonna kill myself. I'm so stupid. God damn it. Okay, now this is a lesson to be learned. I think I should just get sight. Get sight. That's gonna be so much better, because I think my intense glare will do a lot of the work for me in the long run. Better than the dragon, in fact. Oh my god, dragon again. Jeez. It's a tough decision. Because I have soul shield also. Soul shield. No! I'm so stupid. I'm honestly so stupid. Why am I so stupid? I don't know what I'm trying to accomplish by doing that stupid shit. I'm just standing in one place while the other side is approaching, closing the gap. Jesus. I'm doing the same thing again. Why would I let myself do that? Just get out of the way so that I don't get hurt. Why am I telling myself? Why am I voicing this out loud? So I'm really angry at myself. Oh, glare. Oh yeah, please get me glare. Oh yeah, baby, get me glare. Glare, baby. Nothing is good. What does the most AoE? I think lightning will do the most AoE. Also, it's really good because the lightning shoots the second shot, so it's like bonus damage. Actually, lightning's working pretty well. It really, I think it'll couple really well with my fast reload, because then I can get my second shot out faster. Intense glare, yes. Ooh, electrobug. So when electrobug will cause down lightning. Distract 2 nearby enemies. That's good. Aero magic, rapid fire. Energized. When lightning strikes an enemy, there's a 20% chance to automatically refill 3 of your ammo. What if I don't have space for 3 more ammo? Intense glare. I'm taking the safe motion. Actually, yeah, with this intense glare I can just chill. I don't think I can just chill like that when it explodes like that. Oh, I need magnetism, that's what I need. That's why I'm not collecting all these. Holy Arts. Dragon egg. Yep. Oh, okay. Yes. Okay, what is this? When damage HP is below half. Oh, it's the same thing. Yes, this is good. Please give me magnetism. Age dragon. Well, that's the best one here. So, spectacle, dragon bond. I'll get dragon bond later. Spectacle's better now. I need magnetism though, because otherwise I'm not able to just stand in place and get everything. Okay, no. Why are you here to darken my way? Oh, everything was going so well without you here, and now you're here to ruin everything. It's too bad. You get nice things, and you lose everything after that. The game dangles in front of you, then gives you the stick. Sight magic is good, but I need electrobug. Yep. I think this is electrobug, because I need to kill that boss. No, god damn it. Okay. What do I have? Sight magic again. Okay. Rubber bullets. Oh, bullet bounce and fire rate. Okay, sight magic. No! Why? I hate you. I hate you with a passion. Come on. When will you die? Oh, okay then. That answers my question. No! Okay, choose an upgrade. Doom of Stillness. Oh no. Walk speed, bullet damage, bullet. Okay, so walk speed decreases. Doom of Rage, fire rate, speed, bullet damage, and triple your base max ammo. Oh, triple your base max ammo. Oh, but bullet damage 50% down. Okay, I see. Knockback, 95% decrease. Oh, Dome of Mind, max health +1, increase all damage by 2. Wait, increase all damage by 2 for each max health that you have. That's all positive. Let me just get that then. Oh, there's a new enemy now. Finally, magnetism, where were you? Took you so long. When lightning strikes an enemy, it's 20% chance to automatically refill 3 of your ammo. Magnetism. Because I really need to collect more of these. This is just taking a long time. But this is the furthest I've made it so far. So I'm happy about that. I think I need to get like a holy shield or something. Or like whatever the shield is. Because I don't want to get stupidly hit. Energized. Dragon Bond now is pretty good actually. Oh my god, what's happening? What? Why are they getting so close now? Quick reload, watch learn. Electro mastery. All lightning damage increased by 12. Increase damage and lightning damage area of effect. Oof, electro mastery, I want that. But oh no. Why are they dying so fast? Shoot. It's not good. I think they're getting more powerful. I need to increase my sight damage or something. No. What? What killed me? In one hit? I'm so confused. How did that happen? I thought I had like all my soul hearts and everything. So weird. Or was it like one of the upgrades that I got that's like if you get hit once you die? Huh. Maybe I shouldn't have gotten that. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been a very fun episode actually. See you guys in the next episode and bye bye.